Hello, welcome to Danielle's cooking show. Part of the show where Danielle cooks stuff, even though she really hates cooking stuff, but it's because she has a craving. Today we're making chocolate chip muffins. This chocolate is amazing. Alright, what do? I get milk. Milk. Now, you add the mix. Oh gosh, that smells good. I was about to throw this away, that's stupid. I stir until moistened. What the heck does that mean? Spin. Ta-da! I fill the muffin cups. These are our muffin cups, aren't they cute? Scoop. And now we wait.
It makes me happy to have Christmas lights and garland everywhere. I'm all smiles, so say what you want, 'cause I don't really care. It doesn't affect you at all if my house is covered in red and green. And honestly, it's kinda dumb that it offends you, so you can go suck my ween. Go suck my ween. If you don't like my Christmas tree, go suck my ween. I decorate too early, go suck my ween. If you don't like my Christmas glee, go suck my ween. 'Cause Christmas makes me happy.
Hashtag rebel. Ta-da! Mom, do you dare me to put a whole muffin in my mouth at once? She said no, but I'm gonna do it anyway. But it tastes good, so I have to admit, it was easy. I didn't even hate it that much. And I also mentioned I didn't burn myself on the oven, which is usually like a 98% chance. I didn't. 'Cause I'm awesome. Bye.